Do not approach or apprehend this creature. These creatures are highly contagious. They have fly larvae, also known as maggots, coming out of their eyes, nose and ears, and they have a deadly virus called the zombie virus, which is highly contagious and very fatal. These creatures are identified as the zombie deer. Do not come in contact with the deer, as they are considered extremely dangerous. The symptoms of the zombie virus are weight loss, excessive drinking and urination, poor balance and coordination, difficulty swallowing, drooling, lethargy, stumbling, vacant gaze, dementia, and aggression. If you have any of these symptoms, go to the nearest hospital or call 911.